In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow channels on WhatsApp Web. Following channels on WhatsApp Web is a great way to stay updated with content or updates that matter to you. Whether it's news, entertainment, or specific topics of interest, joining a channel can bring targeted information straight to your WhatsApp interface. So let's dive right into the process and make sure you're all set to follow the channels you choose. First, let's get started by ensuring you are logged into WhatsApp Web on your browser. If you're not familiar with this, you can do it by scanning a QR code with your phone from the WhatsApp Web website. Now, once you're on the homepage of WhatsApp Web, you should see a list of your chats on the left-hand sidebar. This area is your primary navigation tool. It's where you manage most of your interactions, like your conversations and soon your channels. Next, you're going to want to find the section dedicated to channels. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll or look through the available options until you see something labeled as channels, or an icon representing channels. This should be in the same vicinity as your chat list or under similar communication sections on the sidebar. Clicking on channels will bring up the list of available channels that you can choose from to follow. It's as simple as that, so make sure to spot it on the sidebar. Once you have clicked on channels, you'll be presented with a list of available channels that you can follow. Here's where exploration comes in. Take your time browsing through the different channels if you haven't decided on one already. There might be a vast variety of channels depending on your areas of interest, ranging from news, entertainment, educational content, to hobby-focused channels. This is a great opportunity to choose something that truly matches what you're looking for in terms of content. After you've determined which channel you want to follow, select that specific channel from the list. You'll need to click on it to open its details, where you can get a sneak peek about what it offers if you're uncertain. Typically, this section would include some introductory information or past posts from the channel, offering you insight into whether it suits your interests. Then, the final step in the process is straightforward. Simply click on the Follow button. This option is usually clearly displayed, likely near the channel description or name. Clicking Follow will add the channel to your subscriptions, allowing you to receive updates directly in your WhatsApp Web. And there you have it, you are now officially following a channel. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and that you're now equipped to dive into the world of WhatsApp Web channels with confidence. Remember, following channels can keep you informed and entertained, so don't hesitate to explore and discover new content. Thanks for watching, and happy channel surfing.